What's good with y'all? What's good? We tuning in for another video, and today it's a review video, kind of laid back, just in case somebody else might wanna buy it or whatever. Cause I told y'all I was gonna do a review on it. But today we're gonna review the Harbor Freight pressure washer I bought. Y'all saw I used it in the other video to do the car, but today gonna test it out. So we're gonna hit this Monte Carlo and see what it do. All right. So this the plan of attack. I'm gonna do some spots in the concrete too to show y'all. Like you see right there, it's black, it's color. Then we got patches over here. I'm just gonna do little parts of the concrete, but the main focus is the car. Now this car been sitting up a long time, and I messed with it on the trunk a little bit, but not fully. I just hit the trunk just a little bit. But this black stuff, man, it's on there. It's on there good. Now, we first pulled the car out, took it and got a lot of it off, but this is the part that he couldn't get off. So, especially on the hood. So y'all see the before, and we're gonna see this the $80 pressure washer. It's about $80 what I paid for it. I go over everything, the specs and all that good stuff, but good walk around so y'all can see. It's mainly on the tops of the car, the hood, the trunk, and the top of the car. So y'all see. So that's what we plan on hitting. Hit the tires and stuff too. So I'm gonna hit them with some purple power too. Y'all know I love that purple power on the grill, so just stay tuned. Alright, so this is it. The Portland, and you can see how much pressure it put out. 1750 PSI. It comes with the hose. You just push it in there and tighten it down. But it pretty much is no assembly required. The only thing you gotta do is put this handle on. Everything else come with it, and it come with four screws. 2 go in right there, and 2 go in right here, and that hold the handle in place. Got the wheels on it so you can roll it around. I mean, it's pretty self-explanatory. You know, your hose, your water hose go in there. You just tighten it down. Then the gun, right here, this how it come, and it got slots for you to hold. This right here just pushes in, and you turn like a quarter turn, half a turn, and then it locks in place. Of course, you got your adjustable nozzle where you can adjust the stream. Show y'all all that, but really worried about the performance. I mean, all that just the same as any pressure washer, and it come with a bottle too, so you can attach with chemicals in case you wanna wash the car or something. So that's another good thing to come with. So yeah, this is it. Like I said, good design, Harbor Freight. This your on and off. I mean, ain't nothing else to kind of explain about that, but now the main thing is let's put it to the test. So I'm gonna set this camera up so y'all can see. I'm gonna hit the trunk first, and then we're gonna see what kind of results we get. So y'all stay tuned. Alright y'all, so before I use the purple power, the degreaser, I'm just gonna use the straight water so y'all can see the pressure. See how I take it off. In case you don't want to use purple power. So you adjust the stream. See it coming clean. Yeah, I see it knocking the black out. We're gonna put some degrees on it now. Look at all that grease, y'all. Why it just turn color like that? Knocking all this stuff loose. Pulling all this stuff up, y'all, when you spray it. Why it turn brown like that. Should do what it do now with this pressure washer. Look at that. Thing's just nasty. How much easier it makes it. Had to bring y'all looks on. Y'all see how much easier it make it? It's super clean, the greaser. Spray it on there. Pour that stuff up. It's a little bit right there. We're gonna go ahead and hit the look at that. All this stuff turning brown. You're pulling it up. So let me show y'all what's going on. See that? Look like rust. It look like rust when you, but you did. As soon as it contact. As soon as it come in contact. Then when you hit that pressure washer, man, that thing there, that pressure washer pretty nice. Pretty nice, I must say. Especially for the money. That's why I see why it got good reviews though. It got a whole lot of positive reviews, and I see why now. If you're doing basic stuff, it's perfect. It's perfect for that. You're not trying to go commercial and really go into business, then this right here will get the job done. And see, all I really wanted it for was the clean engine bays and stuff of that nature. So it's more than good enough for me. Look at all that. Make the car look rusty, but we're gonna hit it with the we're gonna finish hitting it with this, and then we're gonna see. Alright, so we about to hit the top of the car. I got wifey recording so y'all can really see it in action. Y'all see I sprayed that super clean, and I'm gonna start using that super clean cause it definitely stronger than just a straight Purple Power brand. I see why it cost more money. Cause I sprayed the Purple Power on there. It don't create much of an effect like the other brand. So I'm finna let wife record, and y'all gonna see how this hood gonna come clean. Yep, so y'all see how I'm pulling it off? It pretty good. And like this right here, you just put the stream on make it all the way powerful, and then just get up on it, it'll come up. All in all, good pressure wash. So I'm gonna finish this up, and then we're gonna see the before and the after. So y'all stay tuned. So we finished with the car. I'm gonna show y'all that last, man. That thing, that little pressure washer, pretty good. Pretty good. So now we're gonna do the little driveway test, cause a lot of people want to use it for driveway. And y'all see it got like this coloration right here. So make sure I got it all the way tight, which I do. There you go. Gotta pull it up. You can clean your driveway with it too. Like I say, it's pretty good. I mean, for the price point, can't be mad at it. Alright, so here go the finished product. Look like a whole different car, man. This crazy. That little pressure washer, right? And this might have well been a review of the Purple Power car. This stuff right here, it's a clear difference. I see why it costs more money. It's better. I'm gonna start using that all the time, no lie. That's better. I'm talking about a clear difference. I saw a clear difference in what it was doing. But look at that. Y'all remember that trunk? I'm talking about I can feel the paint now, even though it's old. It's a little bit more black right there, but I could have got that out. But you know, wasn't that tripping. But the hood, I mean the top. Look, man. I know y'all saw when wifey was recording, but look at the top. It pulled all of it off. And the hood was the that's how the trunk, the hood. I meant the trunk. But anyway, the hood was the worst part, and it looked 10 times better. It's still a little bit on there, but it's like it done petrified, and it's hard. And on there, it's hard on the hood, but it'll pull it off. But you have to get right up on it, and it take a lot of time. But will the pressure washer get it off? Yeah, it's strong enough to get it off. It just take more time because you got to put it on more powerful stream, and you got to be right on it. Now, if you had, I guess that would have come in handy if you had a more powerful pressure washer. You know, you won't have to put it on the tightest stream and all of that, and then it'll still pull the stuff up cause more pressure. But for what it's worth, for the price point, I can't even be mad. I can't even be mad. It's a good machine. It performs. You clean your nozzle, you know, after every use. Take care of it, and I think it'll be alright. But I won't do this video cause people might want this, and y'all know I do a lot of, especially now I install my own engines and all that stuff. A lot of times be turning wrenches, so this thing come in handy. Even if you just want to wash your car, cause like I said, it come with the spray bottle, which I should have tried that. It come with the spray attachment. You can pour your chemical in there and feed your chemical through there and do it like that. So it's a good little piece. But man, it's crazy. Car look totally different now. All that black stuff off of it. So yeah, that's it, y'all. Just a quick review video. Want to show y'all how that performed cause I told you I would. But man, that trunk and that hood and that top it's totally different night and day. But that's it. I'll catch y'all tomorrow. I'm out.